Hey, has that got a V8 in it? Woo-hoo! How you doing, man? Oh, I'm doing phenomenal. Doing race car stuff. Well, there you go. There you go. Thanks, brother. Take care.
Pulling in now, Richard. He's excited. I know he is. Like, so this is gonna be a good time, guys. So we'll check back in once we start getting set up. Then let's have some fun today. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, just figure out how do we hotwire this car. All right, guys, we are here at Pitt Races, unloading. We got the BMW, we got the Miata, we got FRS, we got a Z, Beamer, Miata, and another Beamer. Apparently, Beamers are like real popular. I didn't realize that. So like, this is my first event. Super pumped for this. That's an Infinity. All right. Did not expect. So there's a red Infinity right over there as well. Zach used to have one of those. I'm not really sure what the layout's going to be. This is my first time. I've been here for Autocross Week, and we came in along that railing over like way over yonder, and then we ended up coming out right over here. So I'm assuming it'll be something along the same lines, but I'm stoked. Can't wait. Oh yeah. I'm fucking stoked, dude. That is about 1,000 times smoother than I ever would have expected that to be.
This car's smooth as shit, I'm not even gonna lie.
That was, actually I guess I should probably take this off real quick. That was sweet. So like, getting thrown into those corners and like watching like and feeling him like just finesse it was like incredible. Is he going up now?
I think so.
Man, like these guys just go and go and go, man. This is like
it's so different than drag racing that we're used to, where it's one pass, wait an hour, right?
Yeah.
It's hot lap.
let's go, man. Like, oh hell yeah, dude. Zach, good job.
Told you like it.
Yeah, this is dope. Having camber is crazy to me. I don't know. We don't have it in drag racing.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Oh, he spun.
There he goes.
I'll let him go, just because we're going to probably carry a lot of speed through here.
I'm all about it, man. Don't threaten me with a good time.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to.
Going right into it.
Yep. That was the that was the best pass. That was the best pass I've been on, without a doubt, dude. That was
Hell yeah, dude.
that was phenomenal. Show us what you did.
So, fan wasn't working. We wired an AC fan up, put a relay to it. It's just a constant power right now, but you can see it's on, and we were able to do 3 hot laps in a row without getting it warm, whereas before, after 1 lap, it was getting warm. So
That's awesome.
right now,
Great,
I have to shut her off.
Yeah, great resolve.
Yeah,
Good job,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
And that was, you know, I don't know if I got it on video, but that was definitely the most thrown I was in a vehicle. So
Yeah, yeah.
I appreciate,
yeah.
I appreciate it. And if you ever need another passenger, let me know. You know where to find me.
Yeah.